Struggling to sleep? Discover how to improve your sleep quality with 6 essential tips. 1. Set a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock and improves the quality of your sleep. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Wind down before bed with activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. This signals to your body that it's time to sleep. 3. Make your bedroom sleep-friendly. Keep your bedroom cool, quiet, and dark to create an optimal sleep environment. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows that support your body and help you relax. 4. Limit exposure to screens. Before bed, turn off electronic devices like smartphones, laptops, and TVs at least an hour before bedtime. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. 5. Watch what you eat and drink. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime, as they can disrupt your sleep. Opt for light snacks and herbal teas instead to promote relaxation. 6. Stay active. During the day, regular exercise can improve the quality of your sleep, but try to avoid vigorous activity close to bedtime. Gentle exercises like yoga or walking can help relax your body and mind before sleep. By incorporating these simple tips into your routine, you'll be well on your way to enjoying better sleep and waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. So, let's bid those sleepless nights farewell and embrace a restful slumber. Sweet dreams.